Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the question. Let's begin. Numbers are composed of individual parts called blank. The answer is digits. Numbers are composed of individual parts called digits. A digit's position within a number is called blank. And the answer is place. A digit's position within a number is called place. The place of a digit tells us the blank of the digit. The answer is place value. The place of a digit tells us the place value of the digit. The blank of a digit is the result of combining what we know about the digit and the place value. The answer is value. The value of a digit is the result of combining what we know about the digit and the place value. For the number below, what digit is in the 10,000s place? The answer is 2. Since this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, this is the 1000s place, and this is the 10,000s place, which is 2. Digits to the left of another digit is how many times larger than its place value? The answer is 10. 10 times larger. Digits to the left of another digit is 10 times larger than that digit's place value.